Today I have Mom with me because she hasn't been here to see any of the HVAC, and I was just kind of going through it with her what they've done today, and I figured I might as well turn on the camera and say it once rather than twice. So we left off here last night. These 3 runs were not in, they were just teed off there. So those are complete now. And then also these runs are finished. Running along here. No, it's okay. You can see it. Oh, okay. So this one was cut off about here and they finished that run. And then this run is shooting down here. They also have one over here and that is the foyer. And this one is for down here as well. And then in baby girl's room, looks like they didn't quite get finished. That wasn't even done when I was here earlier today. But other news, they have been working in the crawl space, which I'll show you in a second. But also, got my lighting. They brought in a water heater, our propane water heater. So obviously, as soon as I told them, they ordered it and it got shipped. So, I wonder if that's full.
I seen that. I was going to mention it to you actually.
Oh.
They probably just forgot to.
Because they were working on that one. We left here today. But anyway, so we were originally going to have it here, but then we found out that the venting was going out here anyways. So we kind of switched things around because of the water softener and everything. So we figured back in this corner would be a good idea because we are building the wall right there. So the main guy was working on that today, so I guess he was getting that all done. And I think that's it. Oh.
Is this for your stove, Tiffany?
Yes.
This line here?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, hang on, let me see where you are.
It looks like for the stove.
Yes, yeah, that's the range.
Yeah.
For the propane.
Yeah.
So you can see here that they're starting to run brackets for the cold air return duct now, and I guess I'll take these lights.
You might not be able to go far because it's plugged in. So.
Oh, what cord is this?
Go.
Hang on, this cord is their cord.
You're going in here, right?
Yeah.
Just watch yourself.
Okay, so as you can see, last night it stopped at this wall and it goes, and then it actually reduces down there. And they got all the returns in here done and most of the HVAC, I think. And I'll go upstairs because we had to do something upstairs today, but because there's hardly any room up there, we actually had to cut the floor out so that they could work in the areas that they couldn't fit with their material. So okay, that's probably it.
Hang on, light person here.
It's okay. I'll put this back. They'll come in and be like, how are they playing with wiring? Okay, so these yesterday I couldn't remember, or in my last video I couldn't remember what these were for, or couldn't figure out what they were for. And they're actually the fittings that go up on top so that they can come out this way with it. So that's what those are for. I think that is it here from what I can see. Okay, now, I have to come out this door, so that's our pressure tank.
Oh, did you buy that or did they buy that?
No, I bought it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, moving upstairs, it's already getting dark, as you can see. I have to go back down that way, so I gotta lock up this door. Wow, this camera does a great job at low light. How light it is in the camera. Look at it. It's almost like better than what your eyes can tell. Okay, so what we had to do today was cut out the floor here. Wah, wah. so that they could run this duct all the way along to this point and then over to that point there.
How did they get that down there?
They had to fiddle with it and whatever.
Did they put it down from underneath and then?
Nope.
And then just grabbed it from
No,
here?
when we cut this out today, this
Yeah.
was here.
Oh, was it?
This is the connection there.
Yeah,
where
I
they
see
started.
that.
So they probably cut it into pieces to get it there.
Well, because it looks like it's taped there too. So and there.
Well, because everywhere.
But I don't see a tape from here to there. Like,
Yeah, no. So
Right?
they just put it in down that way probably.
they probably put it down that way and then turn it.
Or, yeah, because they can't come this way. They actually can't because the beam is right there.
They have to go that way.
They had to go that way.
That's what I'm saying.
And then here as well, we had to cut out so that they could run this duct because the floor or the crawl space ground is right there. So that's what we had to cut out today. So, okay, you can come in the video if you want to. I can't see.
Hi.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for today. We had to cut this out around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So they were here actually pretty late today. Usually they're here until like 4-ish, I think, 4:30. And today I felt like they were here a little bit later. So I'm assuming that they're coming tomorrow. They didn't actually say, but they still have lots of work to do. So I think they're gonna be here again tomorrow. And I guess I will update you then. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get my videos. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.